I'm currently hiding in the upstairs guest room getting work done. I found that this has been one of the coziest places for me to escape to because we have been in the midst of renovations happening in our master. We finally can share with you guys the master closet.
I have not had a closet in a year, so I'm about to be reunited with a lot of my clothes that I forgot about. Just having a space where I can come to at the beginning of every day and at the end of every day. I want to take credit for this built-in system, but to be honest with you, I can't catch a vision for the life of me when it comes to taking measurements and how to maximize this wall and that wall. That is not my arena. I was so excited to outsource this to the Container Store, but they do have a design team that's built in so that you can go on and request that they come and do like a consultation in the space that you want to contain. The quality of this wood, man, this is their new premium Preston line, and I love that it's a wood-based line that just, I don't know, we wanted a more elevated built-in closet feel, and I feel like this is so sexy and sleek. We went with white. It just automatically, I think, just brightens up the space. This is going to be a shared closet, so Stevie and I wanted to maximize every nook and cranny and make sure that like we really are making the most of it. So some of these like rotational spinners and things that are going to be built into here, it's like a whole nother level of built-in closet systems. I didn't know you could do all of the things that they are doing in this closet to maximize the space even more. And I can't wait until all my stuff is in here. And next week this time when I can actually give you a true tour.
This might be the coolest feature of this whole closet install, and it is the 360 spinner that has just given us ample amount of storage. Still gonna put more winter coats in here. Another thing that I really, really love about this closet is the fact that I don't have to reach to grab my clothes. All I have to do is pull out this shelf and I can pick out my outfits. Another really cool feature that I would have never thought of is a full-length mirror. I just pull it out and there you go. When I don't want it to be out, I can just easily stow it back in. Didn't have to give up my washer and dryer. I really thought that we weren't gonna be able to continue to have this, but it has just been so clutch for us. So they integrated it and put it into the built-in, which is really awesome. So obviously because I have my washer and dryer, I have to have all of the utilities that go with it, including my detergent pods. I love how I was able to get them out of the packaging and put them in this really cute container that I got at Container Store. And I love hiding all of the things that just aren't cute in these adorable baskets. There's a little light switch. We can literally light up the closet. Going from literally the before into the after, it's amazing to see how an organizational system can literally change your life. I'm definitely going to keep up with this system, and I'm excited to, you know, enjoy and live and breathe in my clothes again. From my home to yours, I love you, fam. If you guys want, I'm gonna include all the details to this closet in the description box below. Hopefully it gives you a shortcut if you have been looking and searching. Just note that whatever you don't like, you can totally customize and make it your own.
It's just so clean. I just wonder if we can keep it this way. That's the challenge.
Yeah. The thing that I'm not good at is actually creating the system, but when it comes to keeping up with it, that's where I'm good, you know? Like, that's why I love that the Container Store came in here, they did the measurements, they helped me.
We'll have to call Container Store in another year and just say, can you guys spruce this up again?
I don't think
No,
so. No.
You never know.
What? They don't need to spruce it up because we're going to keep up with it. Oh, Lord. Any recommendations on how I can kick Stevie out of this closet and convince him that he really doesn't need a closet? In fact, he doesn't really need clothes. I mean, the t-shirts and things that he has, it's fine. I think he can live off of that forever, no? In his little drawers. Whatever.